old one right here, and this is the new one.
Tell me that your love will never fade away. I should've seen it coming from a mile away. Cause now she's switching up and got a new style, and she dressed it up with a fake smile. Like, girl, I need your loving right now, but it's time for me to let go. Like, girl, you know you left me so cold, turning to somebody that I don't know.
What's good, guys? Today is finally the day. I told you guys about this. I've been talking about this all week that I've been waiting to get this done. So today's the day we do a downpipe and tune to this car. So this video is actually only going to be the downpipe, but you'll be able to hear the difference before we do the tune and after we do the tune and stuff. So the tune will actually be in the video after this one, which will be either tomorrow or the next day. But we're in the car right now. We're about to be there, and we're going to get this downpipe thrown on. It's going to look crazy. I promise you guys that right now. It's going to sound, I don't know how it's going to sound, to be honest. I really don't, but I think it's gonna sound better than it sounds now, obviously, because we got a catless downpipe, you know? But we'll see how it goes. We're gonna plug this thing into the turbo and get it rolling. All right, let me see. Make sure I'm good right here. This is the burnout spot. All right, guys, we're almost there. We're like 5 minutes out, and yeah, I woke up at 6 in the morning today. Got to Toyota at 7, did a service, did everything I had to do, and then like new oil, new everything, and we just hit 1,205 miles right now. So I was waiting for 1,200 miles for the break-in period, and now it's about to get very crazy. Go ahead, my brother. But set over there now. I'll catch you guys as soon as we get over there. I'll show you the downpipe and stuff again, just in case you didn't watch the last video, and we'll go from there. So let's do it. All right, so let me open this box up for you guys. I'll tell you guys the exhaust, well, the downpipe that we got and everything. So it's an active AutoWorks downpipe, as you can see right there, and it's catless. This thing's about to make some noise, hopefully. Oh no, the peanut's flying. Let me put this away. If these get in my car, I'm gonna catch a heart attack. So let me put this away. Oh! Let's get it. We got the car on the lift right now. I have not seen it like this yet. I haven't looked under it. But it looks crazy. These mufflers gotta go. And then this resonator right here. And then this is the part that's coming off right here, the cat. So we gotta take out the O2 sensors, do all that stuff, and switch them out, clamp it back up, and we should be good to go. But this is about to be a crazy mission. This thing gotta come off too. But this thing is so hot right now. Now we in there. Where's the cats? Oh. Cats now, right here.
Why I took this off? Because I have room to access this from here to get to the what? To the bolt. So this is the cat right here.
Okay.
So this is the bolt. You gotta disconnect it from here and disconnect it from here. So feel this.
Still hot?
Still fucking hot as fuck.
Damn.
Yeah.
Nah, can't even touch that yet. But that's the plan, guys. It's about to go down.
Just started
taking this thing off. Bro, I can't wait to show you guys how this thing's about to sound. It's gonna be crazy. And also the rims are not gonna stay this color anymore. I'm deciding if I'm doing black or if I'm doing black and red. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But we got the red caliber, so I'm thinking about doing red rims too. I'm not sure yet. Comment below what you guys think. The rims aren't fully red. They're black all around, and there's red like accents on the rim, so let me know. But this is all my bolts just to take off that one single panel. That's all the freaking bolts. I'll show you guys the panels right here, look. Just to take that one panel off, it was like probably like 20 bolts. In case anyone was wondering what the engine looks like on a Supra, this is it right here. And you got a BMW logo right there too, but turbo's down there. We already got the intake taken out. This is the intake right here, and turbo's coming out. Well, no, the turbo's not coming out yet. Downpipe's coming out, but that's the turbo right here. This is the turbo. Crazy. All the sensors are out. Time to take out this cat. Once you take these cats out, you know what's going down. It's gonna look crazy. I just want to hear how it sounds, to be honest. What if it doesn't sound good? I'll be tight. But I think it's gonna sound good. Maybe once we get the tune, it'll sound even better though. It's just right now it doesn't have a tune, so I'll probably have a check engine light. I'm gonna have a check engine light and a bunch of stuff until we get a tune. But that video will be coming out soon, so be on the lookout for that. All right, so we got it off the turbo up there. Now we just gotta get this thing off right here, and we're good to put on the other one. But this thing got mad bolts everywhere. I don't know why the hell there's so many bolts in this car. 2020 light. But yeah, I'm sorry about the camera quality for that. Well, the camera quality is not even that bad. I just know it's about to get even better. I got the G7X Mark III coming. next week, I think. My girl bought it for me, so I'll have that next week. But for right now, we're on the Mark II. Yeah, Chunky beat this thing down, but it's all good. At least we got something to rock for now. But this thing is on here. It's almost off though, it's moving slowly. It's the old one right here, and it's the new one. But with this one, I don't want to touch it because this thing's hot as hell. But you can't see through it because it's a cat right there. So on these ones you can see through it, so it's catless. If you didn't know, I'm not good with cars, but I'm trying here, guys. I'm trying. So we gotta take out these O2 sensors, plug them into that, and then throw that one on, and we're good to go. But all right, we got it a little bit on right there, and then we gotta connect from the top first. So we're about to do that and come back to the bottom, and it'll be done. Then we start it up and hear our sounds. I want to hear sports mode's about to be crazy on this thing because there's a valve in the car. So when we put this motherfucker in sports mode, it's gonna be stupid loud. And then we're gonna go, when we do the tuning, we're gonna control like the, obviously we control like how heavy, how much boost you put into the turbo. But we're gonna control the pops in the car too. So see how much I want it to pop. That'll all be recorded too, so you guys will see it. This thing needs a freaking car wash, bro. God damn. So we're about to start this thing up right now. Downpipe is just got completed, put the intake back in and everything. Let's see. This is with the valve closed. Damn, this thing got loud, bro. That's with the valve closed too. Click the sport button. Oh my God. Holy shit. Hell yeah. Oh my God. That's without the tune too, bro. You killed it. That shit sounds crazy. Go ahead. God, bro. Ooh, guys, wait for this tune, bro. Wait for this tune. It already sounds ridiculous. But the pops are gonna get even crazier. Yo, to be honest with you, we better shoot some damn flames. I think I might have to take the mufflers out for that though. But I'm not trying to do that yet. Probably get like a full exhaust. There we go. The job is finally done. We're off the lift. We're good to go. Mo killed it on this one. For any work you guys need, I'm gonna put his Instagram up on the screen right now. Make sure if you're in the Patterson area, you come over here. Best work in Patterson in the whole area, so make sure you check them out. Let's go on a little test drive, see how this thing is. Let's get it. We have 1205 miles on the dash. Literally the second I broke it in at 1200 miles, that's it. It's go mode. We got traction off.
It's better.
Yeah, you're right. We'll drive the same way. It sounds so good. It doesn't make more power here, right? We gotta wait for the tune. Yeah, this shit's ridiculous now. It's just a start.
You heard that?
Oh my God. Hell yeah. God damn, bro. This shit is insane. That sounds so good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It's time to go get this tune done. I can't be more happier with this car. I've literally had it for 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, and we already have downpipes on it. Time to go get a tune, time to make this thing fly. So let's do it. catch you guys next video. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Peace out.